How to turn off autoplay on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list, you want to click on Settings, and then click on Account, and here you want to search for cellular data use. You might need to scroll down a little bit. Once you find it, click on it, and here under the Use Less Data section, you want to turn the data saver toggle on. And we did that because as Instagram tells you here, when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data, which means that the videos won't autoplay in order to save the data. And that's it. That's how you can disable Instagram autoplay. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.